नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। Myself, JVN Dr. Alka Jain, Associate Professor in the Department of Community Medicine, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I am discussing about a practical session in the series of digital sessions, and the topic of practical session is rice. Now, rice is a starchy grain used as a staple ingredient by more than half the world's population, largely due to its versatility, availability, and ability to adapt to any flavor and seasoning. Rice has a chewiness and soft texture that adds substance to meals and complements many cuisines. Sorry. Now, rice is a staple cereal, and the function is mainly to provide protein and energy. And the daily recommended dietary allowance is 460 gram per day. Now, nutrition value in 1 cup of cooked means in 186 gram of cooked enriched short grained white rice are the calories are 240 2 calories kilocalories, fat is 0.4 gram, sodium is not present in cooked rice, and carbohydrates it's 53.4 grams, fiber 0.6 gram, sugar no sugar is present unless we add in to make it much flavored, and the protein is 4.4 grams. Now the macronutrients are mainly rice provides proteins and 50% are requirements. Macronutrients are vitamin B, thiamine, niacin, pyridoxine, and riboflavin. And rice is poor in vitamin A, C, D, and calcium. Now, white rice is low in saturated fat, cholesterol free, fat free, gluten free, and sugar free. And in 1 cup of uh, cooked rice, there is 53.2 grams carbs, 242 calories, zero point 0.6 gram fiber, zero point 0.4 grams fat, and 4.4 gram protein. All rice is originally whole grain with the bran attached. White rice is supported by pearling, which is a process through which the grain passes through a machine where it is rolled and the bran is gently pearled off, leaving the white kernel intact. This makes the grain a processed refined grain, no longer a whole grain. Pearling also lowers cooking time and extends the shelf life of grains. Now, what are the health benefits of eating rice? Rice can be part of a balanced diet, particularly if choose the unprocessed brown rice varieties. So, note we must note that rice which we eat should be unprocessed and it should be brown rice. And many of the health benefits of rice come from the vitamins and minerals that it provides. Now, the health benefits, first of all, if we talk about the rice, it is support bones, nerves, and muscles. Magnesium is the structural component of bones that assist in hundreds of enzymes reactions involved in the synthesis of DNA and proteins and is required for proper nerve conduction and muscle contraction. So, in rice, magnesium is present and which supports bones, nerves, and muscles. Now, the other health benefits is it improves colon health. Rice contains resistant starch, which can lead to the formation of certain fatty acids that help the colon stay healthy. These fatty acids may also decrease the risk of colorectal cancer. Now, it also lowers risk of heart disease. Consuming whole grains, including brown rice, is associated with a decreased risk of cardiovascular disease. So here it is a brown rice, not white rice is beneficial for health, but it is brown rice which is beneficial as a it lowers risk of heart disease. The American Heart Association recommends making sure that at least half of the grains we eat are whole grains. For example, choose brown rice over white rice and 100% whole wheat bread over white bread most of the time. So, choice is ours. Either we eat brown rice or white rice. But the beneficial effects are more associated with brown rice in comparison to white rice. It also is safe for people with celiac diseases. Rice is a gluten-free grain, and so it is useful to people with celiac diseases and non-celiac sensitivity. Rice can be made into flour, noodles, bread, and syrups. It can also be made into milk and used as a non-dairy substitute for cow's milk. So these are the preparation of rice. It is flour, noodles, bread, and syrup. Now, rice provides quick energy. Athletes who need a lot of energy in the form of carbohydrates can get it from white rice. If you want instant energy, then you must eat white rice in comparison to brown rice. Because in white rice, calories are more in comparison to brown rice. Many prefer white rice over brown rice for its high carb and low fiber profile. Now, some adverse effects are also if we eat rice in much quantity or if we eat white rice daily. Rice is one of the most common triggers for food protein induced enterocolitis syndrome. The conditions usually affect babies and small children and is marked by inflammation of the small and large intestines. It is not actually an allergy, though it can look like one. Symptoms include gastrointestinal distress, such as vomiting, diarrhea, and in severe cases, even shock. So, this is an adverse effects of consuming rice, and mainly it is a very rare adverse effects. And the effect is it may produce it or it may common triggers for food protein induced enterocolitis syndrome, and mainly it conditions is present in children or small children or babies and is marked by inflammation of the small and large intestines. As the name suggests, enterocolitis means the inflammation of the intestines. And symptoms are mild, as vomiting, diarrhea, and in severe cases, even shock. So it's severe cases are very rare to occur, but it's not common allergic problem. Now, what are the public health aspects? It maximum benefits obtained by eating rice in pulses in 8:1 ratio. Maximum benefits we can obtain if we eat rice in combination with pulses, because it makes a complete food, because pulses gives us proteins and rice gives us carbohydrates. So if we eat in combination of rice and pulses, this makes a complete food. Polishing, washing, cooking with excess water and draining deprives the nutrients. And preparation rice is used in super ORS, and rice is used in dosa, idli, roti, flax, and many more. Here are the different types of preparations of rice. And the things we should know that repeated washing of rice may cause the water soluble nutrients may wash while washing through draining. So it should not be washed repeatedly while cooking. So this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. And if there is any query related to this topic, please mention in the comment box. Thank you.